Hi, good morning, my dear friend. I hope you are fine. So today I have another very important session, that is 7-day English speaking challenge. And my dear friend, each day you will tackle very simple tasks. You can expand your vocabulary, pronunciations, and each and everything, and also you learn how to speak English with natural way. And my dear friend, if you are sensible, then please you can accept the challenge and you can complete all the activities. So my dear friend, whether you are beginners or intermediate, these challenges are very fun and easy and very effective for you. So let's get started. But before that, if you like our content, then please my dear friend, like and subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Let's start. Now, day 1, that is basic greetings and introduction. How do you do? So, in this day, you learn and practice some common greetings and introductions. So, what is your activity? That is, first of all, you can prepare your self introductions. After that, you can share with 5 people. अगर आप लोगों के पास 5 पीपल नहीं है तो क्या करना, आपके घर पे किसी भी 5 ऑब्जेक्ट के सामने, लाइक मिरर के सामने, विंडो के सामने, डोर के सामने. सो व्हाट कैन यू डू इन योर डे 1? दैट इज यू कैन शेयर योर इंट्रोडक्शन विथ 5 पीपल और 5 ऑब्जेक्ट. लेकिन बोलना है, दैट इज द प्राइम थिंग. आफ्टर दैट you record your video and you can check whoever comfortable in English. This is your prime goal. Just do it. Now I will share how do you make your self introduction. So you can use these points like greetings, name, locations, family, education qualification, your hobbies or interest, and your goal, and next you can share conclusion like that. Now we move to day 2, that is simple sentence and questions. So what is your activity? Have a 5-minute conversation with simple sentence and try to make with question. And also you can focus like I am, you are, do you. Now day 3, that's very important, that is describing your surrounding. So what is your challenge? Describe object and people around you. So what is your activity? That is, you can choose one room in your house and after that you can describe at least 10 things, whatever you see, just you can do it. Now I will describe this room. First, I see a sofa and a TV, as well as a dining table that is well organized. There are also some posters hanging on the wall. I see 6 chairs and also a digital clock is hanging on the wall, and a water filter is present for clean water. And I also see a staircase and some flower vases hanging from the ceiling. I hope you understood how I am explaining my room in a very simple sentence. So please my dear friend, try to in that way. Thank you so much. My dear friend, trust me, English is most easiest language in the world. If you follow some proven strategy, then no one stop you. Just you can follow with natural way. Do not pressurize yourself. Yeah, I can learn these, after how can I manage it? No. Just you can follow some natural process. Now, day 4. Then this is more interesting, that is everyday activities. So what is your challenge? That is talk about your daily routine. So I will share your activity. How do you do? That is describe your daily routine from morning to night in English. And at the end you record your video and you can observe very carefully way. Now your day 5, that is expressing opinions, and your activity, that is make a short paragraph with like, dislike and your opinions. So what can you do?
In your day 5, that is focus on likes, dislikes and your opinions. Now day 6, that is role playing conversations, and your challenge, that is practice real life conversations, for example at a restaurant or shopping. So what is your activity? That is role play scenarios, like you ordering some food at a restaurant or you are shopping something in the market. Just you can try to practice. Better if you go out, then you can practice with the real people, otherwise you can practice with your home. अगर आपको पॉसिबिलिटी है तो बाहर जाके प्रैक्टिस करो, नहीं है तो घर पे प्रैक्टिस करो, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस मेक्स परफेक्ट.
For example, like, excuse me, can I see the menu please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. I will have the pasta with a slight salad.
Great choice. Would you like any drink with that?
Yes, I will have a glass of water please.
Now day 7, that is review your all the things. Whatever you finished, you can observe all the points. My dear friend, self-realization is a most useful technique for anything learning. Only because if you know that this is my weakness, then automatically you work on it. So my dear friend, this is the very proven techniques. Just you can follow, you can observe and analyze, after you can work on it. That's it. My dear friend, if you believe yourself, yes, I can do it, I do not have any excuse myself, I can do it, then no one stop you. My dear friend, if you enjoy our content, then please my dear friend, like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. Jai Hind. Please follow this technique. Thank you so much.